Yo, what's up guys, I'm Fire, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart and reassemble your Mossberg Maverick 88. So, first off, simple enough, you're going to come up to this pin and unscrew the barrel from the rest of the gun. Normally you would do a shell check to be sure you're clear, but I already know it's empty and it's on safe. Then the next part is you're going to come right here to this pin, get your homemade shank, and then push out this little pin from the side to take out the trigger assembly. Pops right out and you get it out. Then you pop up your trigger assembly, comes out like that. Then you take out these two little flanger doober thingies, I don't know what they're called. I know they're a pain in the ass to get back in there. And then that's that step done. And then you slide this back to get the action out. And then you slide your morphology, I don't know what it's called, out of the barrel, and this should just slide right out as well. And also this piece, you flop it up and grab it at the base right here and apply a little bit of pressure at both sides. It should just come right out of the holes, and that's it, completely disassembled. Now this is where you clean all your parts, oil them up if you need to. Now to put it back together, you're going to do the exact same thing in the opposite. Take this, press it together, and match it up with the two holes on the side. When you get them in there, they should just slide right in right easy. Just like that. Then you take this side, and slide it in just like this. Might have to lift this up to allow it in. And you're going to slide it to about there. And then the action, slide it back a little more, then just sit that there, and you're going to take your tube thingy majigger, your pump, and just slide it in these two holes up front. It'll be pretty easy to see that once you're doing it. You just slide in just like that. Might have to work them a little bit. Lift this down, or that's not a lift I suppose, but just slide it on in. Then match these two prongs up with the two holes on the side of the action, just like that. And you're going to slide that back until this tab locks in onto this little lip on the firing pin. And then once all of that's together, the pump should be able to move the whole thing. Well, you don't want to take it apart, but still. See, once you got it like that, just move it up into place, out of the way. Then you're going to take this one goes on your right side when you're holding the gun like this. It just slides right in there like that. And then this one has a little tab on this side, and it just slides into this hole right here, just like that. And then once those are in there, should be able to take your trigger assembly. This is always the most difficult part for me because those two little thingies always end up doing that and blocking the trigger from going in there, right? Because they're little pains in the asses. So just hold them in there. Be sure your bolt and your action are pushed all the way up. Just slide that in like that. See, the little thingy popped out a little bit, which sucks. And then if you got it in there, you should just slide right back in there like that. Then you take your little pin for the trigger guard. You don't want to pound it in there, you just adjust the trigger a little bit till you can get it to slide through. Once you got it started fed in there, you just push it in there as tight as you can with your finger, and then you take the back of something flat like this. Little homemade shank was made out of the, I don't remember what it was called, but it went in a screwdriver. So it just has a nice flat surface there, and you just put pressure on it until it slides in. Then that's in there. Take this, which is my little homemade sling, got a paracord. Just slide it right over that, right over the tube. Bring it half back to allow the barrel to, that's backwards, Shut up, steel. Allow the barrel to just slide right down on it. And then just screw it back in. And you've got a reassemble Maverick 88. Now I would suggest testing the action a couple of times, putting around in it, seeing if it cycles, just to be sure you got everything done right. Chambers up, cycles out, and completely put together. If you enjoyed that video, if it helped you at all, if you needed to take it apart and clean it and you didn't know how, leave a like and share it to your friends. Maybe they might need to know. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. Peace.